How high above sea level have you ventured? And what marvels awaited you there? Today, we take you on an extraordinary journey to an altitude exceeding 15,000 feet, where the mysterious Terichmir-Mungol Lakes lie hidden amidst rugged terrain. This is not just a story of reaching a destination, but also of the struggles, wonders, and resilience that define such expeditions. Our adventure began in the village of Madashil, perched 8,000 feet above sea level. Starting at midday, we prepared for a journey that would require spending at least one night in the mountains. With no firewood available at such heights, we carried a small gas cylinder to prepare tea. Our provisions included boiled chicken, eggs, potatoes, homemade bread, and fruits. Food that didn't require cooking in a place where even lighting a flame would be challenging due to the thin air. Additionally, we brought a tent, sleeping bags, warm coats, and other essentials. An hour's hike from Sasung village brought us to the point where trees no longer grow. Yet, astonishingly, far beyond this treeless expanse stands a solitary cypress tree, defying the barren landscape with quiet resilience. Locals revere this tree as sacred, seeing in its survival through harsh weather a profound symbol of endurance. Shrouded in mystery, the tree is the subject of legends. Tales of those who once attempted to cut it down, only to be struck by an inexplicable illness, as if some unseen force guarded it. This enigmatic sentinel, both enduring and otherworldly, stood as a silent witness to our journey. Beyond the cypress, the faint trails grew treacherous. Sandy slopes covered with unstable rocks made each step uncertain. Melting snow and glacial streams wove through fissures in the rocks, creating gushing springs and cascading waterfalls. The water, crystal clear and ice cold, became our refuge as we paused frequently to rest, drink, and snack on boiled potatoes and homemade bread. After 5 grueling hours, we reached an altitude of 13,200 feet, a desolate expanse dominated by rocks of every size. Water was scarce, though in some places we could hear it flowing beneath the stones. While searching for a spring, we stumbled upon the carcass of a young wolf, a poignant reminder of nature's harshness. Eventually, we discovered a small trickle of water and filled our bottles before facing the next challenge, finding a campsite. As dusk descended, we discovered a marshy patch amidst the rocks. Its softer ground was suitable and the only option for pitching a tent in this wilderness. Igniting the gas cylinder for tea tested our passions. The thin air rendered the flame weak and cooking slow. Exhausted but determined, we ate our meal, planned for the next day, and managed a brief 4-hour sleep. We woke up at 4 a.m., made tea with the same difficulty as the evening before, and prepared to continue our ascent. At 13,500 feet, vibrant wildflowers brighten the rugged terrain, their delicate beauty forming a striking contrast to the harsh surroundings. The summit seemed tantalizingly close, yet the steep incline and unstable rocks made every step a challenge. Himalayan snowcocks startled us with their sudden, fluttering flight, while faint tracks of mountain goats suggested the presence of elusive wildlife nearby. Spada bugżan bijoran şarakuyan. Pa şuraya fugrona var onu şey makara. Şuraya hera bir man dava. Nana tori zon pa insin ba gela. Altitude sickness is no joke, and honestly, we didn't take any precautions before heading up. Looking back, our camp was far behind, camouflaged among the rocks and barely visible. If you are planning a trek like this, take it slow, stay hydrated, and keep an eye out for headaches or dizziness. Fighter ये तो है ना है फिर ये चले दी है बॉक्स ना आनी है सुता पिस्टा नो पास ना आनी लो फायर दर पिस्टा सु मैं कहीं सही कौन लो यार एरा ए हेरा एक अंदर को सेलिक अच्छा था बिग दी सा By mid-morning, after 3 hours of relentless effort, we reached the summit, dusted with a fresh layer of snow.
My God, we did it, man.
From here, a short descent brought us to the first of the Terichmir-Mungol Lakes. Words failed us as we gazed upon its J-shaped expanse, its azure surface reflecting the sky and surrounding cliffs.
Hayla.
The water, icy and pure, seemed almost otherworldly. Around the lake, wildflowers bloomed even in September, their bright colors defying the season of decay.
Merhaba.
We spent over an hour absorbing the lake's serene beauty before moving to the larger, U-shaped lake nearby. This second lake, nestled amidst scattered rocks, baffled us with its enduring presence. Despite the apparent paths for water to escape, these lakes have persisted for ages, their origins shrouded in mystery. From this point, the Arkari Valley is not very far, a remote area abundant with mountain goats. Beneath the boulders, we spotted makeshift shelters used by hunters who brave these heights in pursuit of their quarry. On our way back to the top, we noticed fresh mountain goat tracks in the snow, evidence that the elusive creatures had passed through after we had moved ahead. The downward journey, though quicker, demanded careful navigation over the loose rocks. The descent to our camp took less than an hour, a stark contrast to the arduous 3-hour climb. Tired yet fulfilled, we reflected on the significance of such expeditions. Beyond the physical challenge, journeys like these reconnect us with the raw essence of nature. The mountains, with their untamed beauty and silence, remind us of life's simplicity and resilience. They teach us patience, perseverance, and the importance of cherishing what lies beyond the everyday. Along the way, we gathered wild medicinal herbs. Among them was dukek, a slightly sticky, fragrant plant renowned in the region for its wound-healing properties. The Terichmir-Mungol Lakes are not just destinations. They are symbols of endurance and the mysteries of the natural world. Their beauty inspires awe, while the journey to reach them strengthens the spirit. For those willing to undertake such a trek, the reward is not just the view, but the profound realization of humanity's place in the vast, untamed wilderness.